Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, this is my fourth lecture of class 4. So let's start our lecture. We have this book, Maths Wise of class 4, and in this lecture we have learned how to do the exercise number 1 of unit number 2, because we have done all the unit in the previous weeks, and now we will start in this lecture the unit number 2. And the unit number 1 is the exercise number 1 is answer the following. Which number have 4 in the 10,000 place? So we have 3 numbers here. So how can we get the answer? First of all, we know about the place value. What is the place value? So let me tell you what is the place value. So I have written on the board here the place value. Students, we already know about the ones, tens, hundreds and thousand and so on. If I move from one place to the thousand tens place, the digit get multiplied by 10. It means the digit it is written in the tens place, it is 10 times to the digit which is written in the ones place. Similarly, when I further move from 10 place to the 100 place, again digit get multiplied by 10. In this way, when I move 100 place to the 1000 place, once again the digit get multiplied by 10. This value, this digit is the tens times of the digit which is in the ones place, and this digit which is written in the 100 place, it is the 10 times of the digit which is written on the tens place. In this way, when I further move from the 1000 place to the next, the digit again get multiplied by 10 and it will become 10,000. So students, for example, we have a number 9999. It is 9,999. So what is the next number? The next number is 10,000. So students, we already know this 0 is the ones place. In this way, this 0 is the tens place, this 0 is the 100 place, but this is the 10. Oh no, what can I do? Because this number is the 2-digit number, and 2-digit number cannot accommodate in the one place. So we can't write 2-digit number in one place. So we have to move this one to the next place. So next place will be the 10,000 place. It means you have learned this is the 9,999 is the 4-digit greatest number, and this is 10,000. It is the 5-digit number, and this is the 5-digit smallest number. Now, so students, 10 is the 2-digit number, and we already shifted 1 to the next place. So one will represent this one will represent the 10,000 place. Similarly, just like 1 in the 100 place represent 100, and 2 is the 10 place represent 20 in this way. So next So students, now we have to write any number. For example, look at this number. This is the 5-digit number. And now if I write this number in this way, if I write this number as in this way, will this be the number same? Will this be the number same? No. Although the digits are same, but number, no, it is not the same. The number is totally different from this number. So it's mean what do we see? Not just the digit, but in which place they are written is also important. In fact, it is very important. Now, if I write ones as tens, 9 as 100, ones, 9 as tens, 5 as 100, 4 as 1000, and 3 as 10,000. This one is in the ones place, and this 9 is in the tens place. This 5 is in the 100 place. This 4 is in the 1000 place. Similarly, this 3 is the 10,000 place. Students, let me tell you in this way so that you can better understand. 1 into 1, because 1 is in the ones place, we can write here 1 into 1. 9 into 10, because 9 is in the 10th place, so we can write 9 into 10. 5 in the 100 place, we can write 5 into 100. 4 in the 1000 place, and we can write 4 into 1000. And similarly, 3 is in the 10,000 place, so we can write 3 into 10,000. And when we multiply the numbers, so students, look at 3 followed by 30,000, 4 followed by 4,000, 5 followed by 500, and 9 come 90, and 1 into 1 is 1. Now students, so have you seen the value of each digit actually depends on the place where the digit is in the number. So because 9 is in the 10th place, it is multiplied by 10, and in this way 5 is in the 500 place, it is multiplied by 5 is in the 100 place, so it is multiplied by 100. 4 is in the 1000 place, so that's why 4 is multiplied by 1000. In this way we have do this all the question. Students, so students, these are actually the values which these digits represent within these numbers. So for this number, for this particular number, the value of digit is 30,000 and the value of digit is 4000, the value of digit 5 is 500, the value of digit 9 is 90, and the value of digit 1 is 1. Students, these are actually the place values. This is called place values of this particular number. So how can I solve this question? We have to solve this question. We have exercise number 1. The question is, we have 3 values, students. 6, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, and next 5, 6, 4, 9, 8, 0, and 6, 4, 5, 1000. So in this way, the question is, which number have 4 in the 1000 place? Which number have 4 in 1000 place? So can you tell me which number? First of all, we find out the places. Here, the place of this number. What will be the place of this number? What will be the place of this number? And what will be the place of this number? If this 0 is the 1's place, this 0 is the 10's place, this 0 is the 100 place, and this 5 is the 1000 place, and this 4 will be the 10,000 place. So it means this number will get multiplied by 10,000, and the value of the number is 40,000. Now come to this number. This is the number which is in the 1's place. This is the 10th place. This number is the 100 place. This number is the 1000 place. This is the 4, and 4 is the 1000 place. So what will we do? Well, we can do it. 4 multiply 1000. We will multiply 4 by 1000. So the value of the 4 will come 4000. Now come to this number. This is the 1's place. 6 is the 10th place. 7 is the 100 place. 5 is the 1000 place, and 4 is in the 10,000 place. 4 is in the 10,000 place. We can write in this way: 4 multiplied by 10,000, and what will be the value? Value will be the 40,000. Now, have you seen, students? Question was, which number have 4 in the 10,000 place? So this is the 10,000 place. This is also the 10,000 place. So we can tell the number 6, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, and the number 6, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0 is have 4. Have 4 in. Have 4 is in the 10,000 place. Next, let's come to the question number 2 of exercise number 1. Give the expanded form of this number. So I have already written on the board expanded form. So first of all, we need to know about what is expanded form. Students, I have written the number which is given on the book as you are looking on the board. So first of all, we need to know about the expansion of the number. Expansion of the number is writing of the place value and adding them. So when I need to expand the number, so when I need to expand any number, we need to write, first of all we need to write the place value of all the digits of the number. So let me start to write the place value. First of all we have to write the place value, and you have already know about the place value. The place value of this is, because the digit 7 is in the ones place though, so it will get multiplied by 1 and its place value will come 7. In this way, this digit is in the place of 10. So 9 will get multiplied by 10 and its place value will come 90. Similarly, the digit 0. The digit 0 is in the 100 place. In this way, when 0 get multiplied by any number, it will come 0. So we can write here 0. The place value of this 0 is the 0. 1 is in the 1000 place, that's why it will get multiplied by 1000, and the place value of 1 is 1000. Similarly, 6. 6 is in the 10,000 place and it will get multiplied by 10,000 and its base value will be 60,000. Same 5 is in the 100,000 place. So we will get multiplied by 5 will get them multiplied by 100,000. So the place value of 5 will be 500,000. So students, these all are the place value by this particular number. So when we write the expanded form of this number, so we have to add them also. In this way we have to add them. Plus 60,000 plus 1000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 7. So students, this is the expanded form. This all we have find out the expanded form of this particular number. In this way, students, you know about very well about the expanded form. In this way, we have solved the question number 2. Now come to the question number 3 of exercise number 1. Write in the words. Students, how can I write in the words? In previous classes, you all are know about the number name. If we write here the number 4, 5, 6, 8, 0, 7. So how can we write in words? Students, this is ones place, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is in the 10,000 and this is 100,000. So we start writing. First of all, we pair it 456,000. Sorry, we can write in this way: 456,000 and 800 7. Students, and will not come here and will come here. 456,807. So now we have write this number in words. Now come to the question number 4. The question number 4 is, what is the place value of 3 in 653,814? So students, this question I have already explained the topic of place value. So you can do by yourself this question. Next question, write in standard form. Students, this is the standard form. So let me explain you standard form. If I have explained the expanded form, you know about the expanded form. For example, we have the number here 682,000. We can write here 682,511. This is the number given on the book. So we can write this number in the standard form. This is not the expanded form. Actually, it is the standard form. This is the standard form. Students, when we have to write this number into expanded form, so we have to convert it into expanded form through find out the place value of these digits of this number. So when we find out the place value, for example, when we write the place value of this number in this way, as I have told you, this is the place value is 10, this is the digit 5 get multiplied by 100, and the place value of this 5 is 500. So when we add all these numbers in this way, so these are the expanded form, but when we add all these numbers, this is the standard, this will become the standard form. So in the question number 5, we have given the number name 682,511. So we have to write simply in this way, in standard form. How can we write? We have write 682,511. So this is the standard form. Now come to the exercise number 2. Students, exercise number 2 is the same about the standard form. As you are looking here, give the standard form for the following. Students, I have already explained the standard form. You just write the name of into the you just write the number names as you the number is given here. You just write just in this form. This is called standard form. So you can do by yourself all these questions. Same the exercise number 3. Write in words. Students, this is also very easy. Just you have to write. For example, I have written here a question. First part of exercise number 3. The question is write in words. This is, we have to write in words, easy. Simply we have to write in the words. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So student, this number is consists of the 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write in this way, 2 million. $966,000. and 66,000. 800 because 8 is in the 100 place. 850. Now I have completed 2,966,850. So that's solved. Students, in the lecture number 4 and week number 3, we have told you about the expanded form, standard form, number name, place value. Hope you will understand better. Students, now I want to give some homework. So students, this is your homework. Do practice of exercise number 1 to 3 of unit number 2. Learn table of 11 and 12. Yes students, the table of 11 and 12, it is so easy, and the exercise of from 1 to 3 is also so easy. I hope you can do by yourself. I hope you can understand the exercise number 1 to 3 and you will not tease your parents. You can do by yourself. Students, we will see you inshallah in the next lecture, lecture number 5, and we will discuss next exercises. And stay home, be safe. Allah Hafiz.